Hi everyone, happiness is in the air. Let's show some love and care towards ourselves. Self-love is never being selfish. Let's lighten up our lives with good health and happiness this Diwali. Diwali is often considered as a festival of lights and sweets. I'm sure you all might be imagining mouth-watering sweets by now, and at the same time logically thinking about calories, weight issues, diabetes, or fatty liver. And sweets are part of Diwali from generations to generations, isn't it? Why it was not a common issue previously? The reason is they were all physically active and they used to consume sweets only during the festive times. But nowadays, every weekend has a Diwali, but without lights, right? And all the sweets previously was prepared at home. But currently, we all are dependent on the commercially available sweets, isn't it? So what exactly is happening? The ingredients are getting compromised once it is involved commercially. And the demand of sweets are so high nowadays because which used to be available only during the festival times. Now it is available all throughout 365 days. So this is where we exactly are going wrong. So, but that does mean we are not supposed to have sweets during Diwali. No, let's lay down extra efforts in preparing homemade sweets. Can we bring in some changes by replacing sugars with jaggery and replacing artificial colors with natural food colors and increasing refined flour or a maida with any kind of a millets or whole grain or the wheat flour? Yes, we can bring in these changes, but still the biggest challenge is the mindset. We need to have a controlled portion sizes because jaggery also contains the same calories as sugar, of course. So let's celebrate this Diwali with homemade sweets. The wait is worth during the festive times. So don't celebrate Diwali every weekend by bringing in a lot of sweets. So, इंतजार का फल मीठा होता है. Happy and healthy Diwali to all in advance. Thank you.